Alright, so here we are, another day, and yeah, not too sure as to what all is going to get done today. I would like to get my front fuse panel done, so I got two of these, what the hell are they doing? They're little fuse panels, and they got 6 slots in them. Gotta aim it down so that way you guys ain't catching so much light. And then I also have this guy. It's an inline thermostat for on the oil cooler. So it's gonna go, I think it goes on this side, I believe, which would be like the return. It's gonna have to, because I don't think it'll fit anywhere else, or at least it won't fit up at the top unless I put it on the sandwich plate. But yeah, so basically this probably will go on the bottom here, right down here at the bottom. I'll probably assemble this and do that right away. And then I got some more uninsulated, what are these, like ring connectors, something like that. But yeah, I like the uninsulated ones because I don't like the plastic ones. I have like, I don't know, they look trashy to me. Sorry, not sorry. So yeah, I use these, and then I use shrink tubing over them. It looks a lot cleaner, I think. Damn, the only unfortunate thing is if I do want to wire today, I might be able to make the panel today, but I don't think I'll be able to do much of the wiring because I don't have my shrink tubing yet. I ordered like 8 feet of shrink tubing. It's not here yet. Here's my new starter switch. It's a momentary on-off, not an on-off-on. And then I also got this, which is my replacement for this one over here. It's a boost control solenoid. So that way this here I'll be able to raise my boost using this instead of changing out wastegate springs or anything like that, which I'm going to need because it's only got, I think there are 4 PSI wastegate springs in there, so, and I don't think it's going to be in the budget to get some new ones because I'd like to get like tile ones, and Paul got a hella budget, or a hella deal. I think he paid like 15 bucks for like a set, and apparently that was a deal. I should have jumped on that because now they're like $40, which sucks. Yeah, I got some ground wire. I think that's it. Yeah, that should be about it. So that's kind of what I want to do. Paul left, and he might be coming back, I don't know. And I think he's gonna try and work on his coil pack mounting, so that might be happening. Right now I'm waiting for the GoPro to transfer all the footage over from mounting the oil cooler. I forgot to transfer it, so I'm waiting for that so I can get it back. Yeah, I know I'm behind on videos right now because like I went to put some videos on the laptop and I ran out of room, so that was nice because I keep all the videos I have, so I had to order like a 3 terabyte external hard drive. When that gets here, then I'll be able to put more, then I'll be good. I can get all my old videos onto the external hard drive and we'll be good to go. But yeah, otherwise, let's just do this. Let's just jump right into it. If you need to do an inline or like a thermostated fan, I think this is a pretty good way to go. It's kind of pricey. This was 40 bucks for this. So this is what I got. If you can get that. But yeah, so basically this guy will thread in, and this guy right here threads into that. And you can actually get these, you know, you can get other ones of these. But yeah, basically you put this in line. So short story short, you run 12 volts to this, and then run this guy to the fan, and then the other fan side will go to ground, I do believe. Yeah, and that's how that works. So basically this thing completes the circuit and turns it on. It's basically a switch. But yeah, so I'm going to assemble this and get it on. Alright, so I ended up flipping this fan over so that way my wires run down. I wanted them to go up, but this is what happened. So, but yeah, so this is where it is. And I just got the red cap on there to prevent crap from getting it inside there. But yeah, that thing should work pretty good. Then we just got to run one of these wires to there, and then the other one is pretty much, I think the other one just gets grounded. So we ground this one, and then we go here, and then we do this guy to 12 volts. and then it should be done. And then I'll just try and, I might just do the wire from here down to here and then run it along. Something like that. I'll figure something out to hide the wire. Maybe I'll go that way. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, that's done. Now to move on. Alright, so this actually used to be Paul's old like microsquirt and all that mount and all that shit. I went ahead and repurposed it, bent it back, and remade it. This thing's actually gonna go up in here, like so. And I'll probably just rivet it on. So I'm gonna have 3 relays. One to turn this on, and then the other will be for a fan. And then I may use the other one for this one. I'm not sure yet. This one shouldn't really need it. This one I'm gonna wire power to all the time. So I might not need a relay. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna use wait, no. Yeah, one's for a fan. That's gonna go from microsquirt as the trigger. For the coolant fan. So I might actually have an extra one, but there was already a hole like here and here, so I kinda 3 works better. It's more centered. So just the way it's gotta be. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find something that I need a relay for. But yeah, that's kind of what we got right now. And yeah, I think we gotta go to Home Depot. Paul needs metal. I guess we can go over there and do an update with that shit. So Paul ordered up this gold thing. We talked about it in another video when we were going to attempt to make this. But yeah, so we ordered it thinking that the 4 holes that are in here were going to line up with these spark plugs. And I'll have you know, we were definitely wrong. So probably what we're going to do is we're going to like cut this out, put some steel in there or something, and then we got spacers and carry on. We'll make it work. At least majority of the work's done for us.
Yeah, the bolt is.
Yeah, basically. And yeah, so now we gotta go Home Depot to pick up that metal that he needs and pick up some aluminum spacers. And I think that's it, really, from what we need there. But yeah, that's that update. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna go get that done. Paul right now is making a template off his template. So that way he can cut this one out of some steel. And then, yeah, basically he's going to try and get Zell's coils done. Or not Zell's coils,
Audi. Volkswagen.
Audi R8.
No, we're not R8 ones.
No.
They're just A4, or whatever the cheaper ones are for now. I can get the R8 ones later.
But yeah, so he's basically making up a template, and then he's going to transfer it over onto some steel. Does your steel go wider? Because if you can make this thing wider out, that'd be nice.
Yeah, I know. That's what I wanted to do. It goes a little bit, not far, but that might be enough.
This should be enough to get you there.
It'll be close.
Oh, that's perfect. But yeah. So, yep. I'm going to get that done while he does that. Alright, so got this all kind of done. So these holes are drilled, and then these ones are drilled, those ones are drilled. Now I just got to drill that guy, all of those. And then this guy's done, even though I want to put a hole on the side here too. So I got to drill that too. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. Oh yeah, I haven't filmed very much, but yeah. So that's where we're at for that. So this will actually be mounted like so. And then I have all my wires coming out the side there. Everything's done in the back here. So pretty much at this point, all I need to do is hook up everything. So we got the intercooler pump, gauges, GPS/USB. It's just going to be USB charge ports. And then it's obviously going to turn on the GPS. Interior lights. This is a spare relay at the moment. Nothing is on this. And then for constant, so this is ignition. So when I flip the ignition switch, all these come on. This one is got 12 volts to it all the time, aka constant 12 volts. For underglow and my window, my electric windows, whatever the fuck you want to call them. And then the underglow I'll turn on and off with the app. Paul managed to make this concoction for a block off plate, but we're kind of at a dead still. He needs...
I don't know what that means.
What?
Dead still.
We can't really make too much progress.
You just like combine words together.
Was dead still not a thing?
I don't think so.
What am I combining then?
Everything. Let him know.
I'm
Let him
pretty
know in the
sure
comments that he's wrong.
I'm pretty sure dead still is a thing.
Dead stop and
I don't know.
I can't think of it right now, but
Welcome to Wisconsin. I went to public education, so yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we need to order up some 10x24 riv nuts for that thing. And then we also need to get some grommets because we fresh out. He needs like some of these, and we've used all of them up.
yeah, I need bigger than that, I think. That maybe doesn't work.
That should work because I got 4 wires through there.
No, but I gotta do this stuff
Or
too.
well, actually, it's 3, but.
I want to put this stuff through it too.
Oh, yeah.
So I think I need a little bigger.
Yeah.
That's not gonna fit with
I'll
the
be
wire.
pushing it.
Yeah. So I gotta get like the next size up from that.
Well, yeah. So I don't know what else we're going to do, but that's kind of where we're sitting. So front relay panel is done. Kinda. I still need to figure out my mounting. I might do riv nuts too. Just do riv nuts and then screw them in. Why not? And yeah, I think that's about all I got. You know, riv nuts are gonna look terrible on the other side.
Or would that be in the firewall?
Yeah, it's going right on. It's going right on that block off plate I made.
Yeah, that would
So
be
I
the
was just gonna kind of rivet it on, but I don't know if that's smart either. Even though I shouldn't need access behind that thing once it's on.
Until you do.
Until I do. But yeah. That's where we're at. Don't know what else to say. But yeah. And so yeah.
And yeah.
But yeah, so yeah. Alright, so this is a different day. But it'll be in the same video. I'm not sure what. I might end up wrapping this one up. I think Paul's just going to be wiring up his rear taillights, I think. Is that what you're doing?
All the wires from the back to the front so I can get all this tidied up.
Did you find out about the 14 gauge, if it's going to be enough?
I didn't look.
But, yeah, I think this is where I'm going to actually end this. Because then I can start the next video, which I've already started and I already hate. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.